You guys know I've been looking for an engine for a really long time. Well, here it is. You can't see anything, it's covered in black saran wrap, but today we're gonna get into this motor and kind of take a look and see what it is. Well, here it is. It's actually a Miata 1.6 liter dual overhead cam 4-valve motor with a manual 5-speed transmission, and largely the engine is there, other than like some wires are cut here and there, and I'll probably have to figure out how to deal with those. But it also came with an ECU and most of the parts that I need to connect this engine into a car or into whatever I want. Obviously it's going in the Triumph, but the whole package is there. I'm definitely going to be spending some time to clean stuff up like that. That's just kind of nasty, and all this whatever, I don't even know what that is. It's like sodium buildup. But this actually came out of a Japanese Miata over in Japan. It got imported here in America not too long ago. About 2 months ago, I would say it was imported here in America. And yeah, so I got a 50,000 mile Miata engine to put in the Triumph. Overall, this motor is going to be a lot better. Not only does it have more power, this motor in the USA, these came with about 47 horsepower and 70 foot-pounds of torque. And if you're like me, that's definitely not enough for literally any car. Even though this car only weighs 1,700 pounds with the engine in it, so having 115 horsepower and 100 foot-pounds of torque, this car is going to be not only a lot faster, but a lot more fun to drive. It's going to be quicker overall, and later on I will probably add a turbo and get some more power out of it. Hopefully, maybe I can have like 1 horsepower per 10 pounds. That would be an awesome goal to have. I know that the differential definitely won't survive that, but it may survive just the stock horsepower on this for a little while, as long as I don't do any like super mean burnouts. So this is probably just about the perfect time for a size comparison for the two engines, because that engine's sitting right over there in on the ground before a guy comes and grabs it. But let's see how long the transmission is. From the absolute bell housing to the center of the shifter is 32 inches, and to the end of the transmission is about, alright, just left. To the end of the transmission is 36 inches. So we're looking at, this is much shorter, 23 to the middle of the shifter and 26 to the end of the tail shaft here. That is a large difference, so 32 versus 23 and 26. Next is, let's look at the front of that, of the harmonic balancer to the transmission is 22 inches long. Alright, let's just go with the furthest. No, I'm gonna get rid of the AC, so I don't need that. That'll be gone. Huh. It doesn't look overall that... No way, the engine is actually shorter? Alright, well, the physical length of the engine is literally the same. So, that's a good start. I feel like I'm kind of illiterate because I can't find the VIN number on this engine, and because I want to find out exactly what year it came out of, but I don't know. Ooh, maybe it's in the ECU. That's probably where it is. Unfortunately, that's hard to tune those, but if I have the VIN, that makes it way easier. Of course, it doesn't look like there's a VIN on here. But anyways, guys, if you like the video, if you like the build, and you want to see this happen, it's going to be happening right here on the channel. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.